Hello, welcome to E-Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Philanthropist, CEO and artist Cedella Marley is the recipient of the 2022 American Friends of Jamaica AFJ International Humanitarian Award. It was presented to her last Friday at the AFJ's 40th anniversary gala, which was held at the Plaza Hotel in New York City. Recipients of the AFJ International Humanitarian Award are recognized for their contribution to humankind. Good job, Cedella. Dancehall artist Dexter Daps thrilled as he performed some of his greatest hits on BBC Radio 1 Extra. He joins the growing list of Jamaican live performers and did not disappoint. It was filmed at Tough Gong Studios. Of note was his tribute to Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, and Beenie Man in his song Another Level. Before Dexter Daps, Jamaican singer CeCe Foster was featured in a live performance at Hellshire Beach. Go Dexter, woo woo woo.
Tell me when, just a ten in to the pen. Bitches dissipated on the bitches for the men. People with the listen to me again. Tell them come again. Backstab, say they'll never be my friend. Backstabbing food, I think it's time you comprehend. We're making crazy money, so stop watching what we spend. We multiply by 10, say last fly again. I trample on my enemies.
Now on the international scene, it's confirmed. Fenty's CEO and music pop star Rihanna will be headlining the halftime show for the 2023 Super Bowl. Riri made the announcement on social media with a photo of her hand holding the NFL football. The NFL and Apple Music also posted the picture. No doubt fans of the Bajan superstar are excited about the news after waiting for 7 years to see her on stage. The Super Bowl is scheduled for February 12 in 2023 in Glendale Horizon. For E-Prime this evening, I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.